Now that we've talked about getting information in and out of a computer, let's discuss what happens inside. There's a special part called the processor, and it's like the computer's brain. Can anyone guess what it does?
Does it remember things?
Exactly, the processor thinks and remembers. Now let's talk about where the computer stores information. That's where storage devices come in. Can you name some?
Hard drive? Maybe USB stick.
Wonderful. Now let's match the storage device with its function.
The processor, often referred to as the brain of the computer, is responsible for processing data and making decisions in it. Meanwhile, storage devices like hard drives and USB flash drives are where the computer stores information for later use.
Now on to the central processing unit or CPU. It's the main processing device in a computer system. The CPU consists of three main parts: the arithmetic logical unit, ALU, the control unit, CU, and the memory unit, MU.
The arithmetic logical unit performs mathematical calculations and comparisons, while the control unit manages the flow of data. The memory unit, on the other hand, is responsible for storing data and information.
Now let's talk about memory. There are two types, primary and secondary. Random access memory or RAM is temporary and volatile, meaning it gets erased when the power supply goes off. Read only memory or ROM is non volatile and stores data permanently.
Secondary memory includes storage devices like hard disks, flash drives, SSDs, and cloud storage. These provide larger storage capacities for permanent data storage.
Lastly, let's discuss output devices: monitors, speakers, and printers. These devices display or produce the processed information from the computer.
Output devices like monitors allow us to see visual information, while speakers enable us to hear audio. Printers produce hard copies of digital documents.
Now, computers not only need hardware, but they also need software, the programs that tell them what to do. There are two types: system software and application software.
System software, such as operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, controls and manages the computer's operations. Application software, like Microsoft Word and Adobe Photoshop, are programs designed for specific tasks or purposes.
And that wraps up our lesson on the inside of a computer.